Good morning, students. This is your GK class and we are going to discuss about chapter 27. And what is the heading? Kitchen tools. Something we use in the kitchen which make our work very easy. And those tools only we are going to discuss today in this. And first picture, this picture is of grater. You can see in this, my dear, here are fine frames. Here are a little broad frames, and all the four sides there are different types of frames. And what we use for, why we use it? We use it to mash the things, to grate the foods into fine pieces. Many things you will see that onion, garlic, ginger, and it is available in the market of different shape and size also. You can use small grater which usually we use to grate ginger when we make tea in the winter. So that type of, according to our need, many types of grater are available in the market. Now next is, this is strainer, and all of you know we use this to filter some liquid things, or we use this to separate the unwanted things from wanted things. And this is also available of different types, my dear. It is a mesh strainer, and usually we use it for separating wanted elements from unwanted material. And this also strainer is also found in many frames, many types, many design, and of many, it is available in the market in plastic also and of metal also. Now I am showing you the next kitchen utensil, and blender. This is the picture of blender, and I think everyone is having at home, usually in these days while making mango shake, or in winter while making cold coffee, we use this blender. Not only for these things, for many more things. While cooking food, sometimes we have to blend the tomato, onion also, and it is usually used every day in our home, and it makes our work very easier. See, blender, a mixer or liquidizer, is a kitchen and laboratory appliance to mix, crush, or emulsify food and other substances. Now I am showing you the next, and this is spatula. And why we use this, my dear? These ladles, we use this to serve liquid dishes, dal, or liquid vegetable which is not fried, which is, or that type of soup, stew, gravy, sauce, even fruit punch. This is a ladle, and this also comes in different size. Curd, we used to serve curd, porridge with these types of ladle. Now next comes the picture of scissors. And why do we use? Usually you will see nowadays people are bringing packet milk. That packet we cut. Milk is also available in the packet. Salt is also available in the packet, and mostly things we get packed, and we use this to cut that packet. We use this to cut some herbs also, like spinach, mint, coriander leaves. Now see, this is a wooden spatula, and you know that this spatula is used to serve things also, and usually this type of spatula is used in non-stick utensils. If with metal spatula we do, see here, used for serving sauces and for mixing ingredients in cooking. It is made of wood and has a long handle. And mostly wooden spatula we use in non-stick pan also, because if we use metal spoon there, it harms the utensil. So usually we use wooden spoon with the non-stick pans. And this is again the strainer to filter the unwanted things, to separate the wanted and unwanted things separately. Straining liquids when a velvety texture is desired, to separate the tea, to separate soup, this type of things also we separate with this type of strainer, but are a must for any serious home cook. Definitely it is must for our home. Now see, this is peeler, and this we use to peel the vegetables, fruits. A kitchen tool used to remove the layers of flesh from vegetables and firm fruits, apples, cucumber, this type of things. What we do, beetroot also we peel and eat. Peeler also we get of different types, different shape, different size. It is available in plastic also, metal also. Now first homework is to draw and color. To draw, color and label any 2 kitchen tools. Right now I have explained you 12 kitchen tools. Any 2 kitchen tools you can draw, color and label. And the second question is, write the uses of these kitchen tools. And right now I have explained what is the use of blender. Blender usually we use to blend the mixtures. Right now you will see it is used to mix, crush or emulsify food or other substance. Used to mix, crush or emulsify other food substance. Right now to make mango shake, usually banana shake, or to mix the onion and tomato, ginger, garlic also we use the blender. Now grater. It is used to grate the things into fine pieces, isn't it? Now comes saucepan. Saucepan usually you will see it is used to make tea, to heat the water. Next comes knife. To cut coriander leaf, it is used to cut coriander leaves. Different packets. Mess strainer. And why do we use mess strainer? To separate wanted and unwanted substance. Or substance also we can use in the place of things. Substance, to separate. Okay, S will be small. Now next comes microwave. And first, earlier microwave were always only used for baking, but right now it is used for cooking also. Okay, for cooking we used to cook food. Different types of food, different dishes. Now comes toaster. Toaster are available in the market, and when you to make sandwiches or bake the bread, it is used to bake the bread. Or make sandwich. Next comes water heater. And I think all of you are using water heater in winter. What we do in winter, we are avoiding the chilled cold water, and we just put it in the water heater. It is okay, and we take. So it is used to heat the water. Now you will do your homework very nicely, my dear. Thank you for watching this video.